Hey guys, NC Productions here. In this video, I will guide you on how to properly install my add-on peds. Installing my peds is a little different from just dragging the files to your add-on peds folder and running the add-on peds editor, as it requires a little more work to achieve all the features my peds have to offer. If installed incorrectly, the features such as facial animations for gameplay and cutscenes, props, voice, custom height, custom animation, jiggle physics, etc. won't work. With this video, you'll be able to install them properly. Now before we begin, make sure you already have a basic understanding of the add-on peds mod, as well as using in-game file explorers like OpenIV or CodeWalker Explorer. For this video, I'll be using CodeWalker. When downloading one of my peds, you'll encounter two types of content. First is the base file that includes the add-on ped itself, files such as YDD, YTD, etc. The procedure is pretty much the same as you do with any other add-on ped. You move all the files to your add-on peds folder, and that part is done. Easy peasy. The second part is the ped metadata file. Normally, you'd use an add-on peds editor for it to create the ped metadata for you, but the editor is limited and does not allow for all the features my peds have to offer. Therefore, avoid using the editor and add it manually. If you open the metadata file included, you'll find a block of text. This text needs to be placed into a file called apm.xml found in the directory shown in the video. The file itself is created by add-on peds editor for it to store the ped metadata in once the rebuild button has been clicked. If apm.xml does not exist on your end, run add-on peds editor. If it can't detect its metadata file, it will automatically create one for you. The opened apm.xml file can be a bit difficult to read. In order to get a better overview, let's beautify the contents of the file. Here, I use an XML beautifier page to do the job. Link in the description below. Now copy the beautified text and replace the contents of the apm.xml file. After, scroll to the bottom of the file and look for the last closing item block. Create a new line after it and paste my ped metadata into your apm.xml file. Save your changes, and just like that, the ped is present within add-on peds. And just a friendly heads up, when rebuilding with the add-on peds editor, the format of the file will reset. This will also reset the values for peds using custom values. This will result in the ped no longer working as intended. To fix this, beautify the file again and replace the old block corresponding to the ped with the original values that came with the download. Other than that, launch the game. When ready, press the L key to initiate ped selector. On that list, you should see my ped. Once selected, it displays my ped as intended with all features included. Hope this procedure wasn't too much of a hassle to follow. Enjoy and have fun. Bye-bye.